Hi there everybody. So on today's video I'm gonna be changing the pollen filter on this. This is a Mini Cooper 2010. It's a Mayfair version, and basically it's right hand drive, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be changing this pollen filter from the passenger side. And basically if we go just here, this is the glove box here, and if we go down here we will see this box here, this panel. Now this panel, we just need to basically unhook it. Might need a screwdriver. Okay, so looking at this box here, we just need to open these hooks here. Just a little bit, so it releases this cover. And then this is our pollen filter is hiding in here, and that needs to be pulled out like so. So it just comes out in a kind of a curve thing way. Also just make a note the way it comes out, although you can't go wrong because you got these little flaps sticking out on this end, which means you can't really put it the other way around. This is the new filter here. It's a man filter. And the part number is a CU4436. Now you may notice that this filter doesn't have the little flaps that other one has, the little sticking flaps here. It's got the airflow arrows, which is what we want to make sure we get the correct way. So those are the airflow arrows in there, and they're facing down. So just remember that, make a note how you take this out. So we want those arrows to be down when we push this up there. So it's literally just a matter of getting this back in this hole up here. Try to get a little bit of extra light in there, but we can just about see that little rail here, how it kind of goes in. That's pretty much it. And then we just close that box, make sure it clicks, and you're done. you may notice that depending what filter you have, this filter is a little bit stronger, so it doesn't bend like that other one did here. This is a Bosch filter, and that is the part number there, 19874328082. And so that's pretty much it. Hope everybody's keeping safe, and do subscribe if you find my videos helpful. Thank you for watching.